License 1597016. This is employee number 4128 that's engaging in and communicating a threat, both expressly and impliedly by virtue of the environment, and the stalking by the Fontana Police Department by helicopter under the fake sun in the middle of the afternoon. Following me from the Fontana Lewis Library, Michael Dorsey is a demon, just like employee number 4128. Michael Dorsey and the Fontana Police Department are engaged in criminal summoning. They're violent sex offenders engaged in vagina monitoring who are moreover hostile and engage in criminal activities such as gang stalking someone conspicuously as they are documented. Employee number 4128. She is operating bus number 1370397, and this is the basis to put her in particular in federal prison while I document the entity that's engaging in what is surveilling me and keeping my devices under surveillance. When you're stalking with the police and you call yourself engaging in retaliation by conspicuously stalking me with the police who are not even police, they're demons under a fake sun, engaging in criminal surveillance with a bunch of puppets. The entity engages in that by stalking you also by helicopter. You're going to prison. That's bus number 1326. This is under the fake sun. Remember, that's here in the middle of the afternoon. 8:46 a.m. is the time right now. And that's Michael Dorsey. That's not engaging in what is any sort of law enforcement. He's not remaining in position either. And the Fontana Police Department is also a threat to the public as well. And he is speaking to what is no coincidence under a fake sun that's remaining not only in the city of Fontana, which the natural environment would not include, but over me as I'm documenting the city of Fontana on a particular street, a main street, which is Sierra Avenue, not exceeding what is Foothill Boulevard and what is Marigold when I'm on Route 61. This is where a fake sun is remaining, and that's where the evidence is going to show that this agency is targeting me, including when you're looking at what is Rialto, Colton, and Fontana police, a bunch of vagina monitors intimidated by me, and the fact that they know that they are going to prison, that demon's going to prison, and so is employee number 4128. And this is how you're disincentivizing domestic terrorists. Psychopaths that can't use their words, they engage in stalking you in things like helicopters and police vehicles, engaging in what is passive-aggressive, microaggressive conduct. As they're conspiring your murder, you're going to prison for that. It's an act of terrorism and it's an act of war. This is an entity that's using psychological torture tactics against American citizens who are not equipped to deal with that. That is the entity that's doing so. And Fontana police are also keeping my vagina under surveillance in the bathroom on behalf of demons like employee number 4128. Stalking with impossible light, stalking under a fake sun that remains over the library. This is P.O.C. The Fontana police that don't have anything to do, that are engaging what is using SWAT vehicles, those 3 police departments that are engaging in what is stalking me on this same street in the middle of the afternoon, daylight savings time or not. They're all being federally prosecuted and identified as terrorists. While the entity likes to waste gas and use helicopters to keep me under surveillance because of how vital and key I am to letting you know about what the reality is in the United States. And that's why. And it's also because they are demons who are fearful. And when Satan is fearful, you see him make very stupid and what is costly mistakes, errors. Okay, this is P.O.C. This is from the city of Ontario to the city of Fontana. I'm still en route to Ontario yesterday where employee 4128 is surrounded with evidence with regard to targeting me with the Fontana Police Department with Michael Dorsey, who bears weapons and badges and uses things like helicopters and vehicles issued to the department to gang stalk me in furtherance of murdering me. This is P.O.C. It is currently, and everybody here is threatening as well. Everybody here is threatening. This is an ongoing threatening environment and a threatening pattern of conduct. This is P.O.C. It is currently 8:48 a.m. That's OMNITRANS that's engaging in that. This is civil and criminal court. This is the totality of circumstances. But employee 4128, I document you, and the entity stalks me by any sort of agency. You're going to prison. That's your prize. Prison time. P.O.C.